to the rear hatch. We're going to...
I'm gonna start this video like... Oh my God, guys. Something truly amazing just happened in the Smith household. I come home from work to this.
Yeah!
Look at this! Oh my gosh, she even cleaned the trim.
Yo, I cleaned the whip.
Yes, you did. Wow. Look how clean. Even did the back. She pulled the mats out, cleaned the mats. I think it's time to upgrade your interior lighting.
Yes.
Heddy needs to see again.
I do. I need white lights inside. I'm tired of the yellows. And now you'll be able to see how clean it is with the light on.
We're gonna try to follow the girls home with the drone.
With the drone.
Take off.
So now when they say that we didn't pick them up at the bus stop, we can be like, we totally did. We just did it from the air. Too funny.
High wind.
That there was an accident on 82, so hopefully the bus isn't delayed.
That would suck.
We did get an alert though from option C, so.
Strong interference. Oh, I think the camera's interfering.
Alright, well, we'll watch it later. They totally see the drone, and you could hear them yelling from the second they got off. We picked you up a different way today. When did you guys take notice to it?
Like on that, halfway up that hill. Yeah, I was like, what is the drone? But then I looked up and that was the drone.
Everybody have a good day?
Yeah, I got a green star.
Whoop whoop. Were you like, where is mommy? You're like, oh, you have to walk. But then the drone made it better, huh? Yeah.
Just a little. Yeah, I wish drone come and get me so I could. Drone can watch us.
Here it comes.
I could fly on it maybe, but I thought that would be. I thought that would be. What if you landed it on the truck? Oh, that was bad. Got my eyes on me!
For today's video, the wife's going to be upgrading her interior lighting on her 2017 Toyota 4Runner that she just cleaned with LED replacement bulbs from Diode Dynamics. Ooh. So for the map lights, we're going to be installing the HP 5 for the map lights. For the puddle lights on the doors, HP 3s. For the vanity mirror lights, HP 3s and white. And then for the rear hatch, a 31mm HP 6. You pumped to show the viewers
I am pumped for
that
white lights.
More white lights.
More white lights.
Just say no to yellow lights, white lights.
No yellow light.
We'll be using, well, the wife will be using a pair of pliers that I have nicely taped with electrical tape so we don't break the incandescent bulbs. So she doesn't break the incandescent bulbs when removing them. And I wish I had a plastic pry tool, but I don't. So we're using this little...
Oh my gosh, it's been a long time since I've seen that. That's how I used to take the air out of the tires before marriage savers.
Oh yeah?
You don't remember that?
TJ Brooks, guys. Auto deflators. Marriage savers.
Heck yeah. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is gently put this antique screwdriver up there and pull down and use my nails. And I'll pop it out like so. Up there you should see the bulb, in which I'm going to gently remove, in theory, with these pliers. Are you sure my fingers won't work better?
You're gonna burn the you-know-what out of your fingers if you touch that bulb.
Can we shut the lights off?
Is that your stomach?
I don't know.
It sounds like a creature. Okay. Hold that. This is really Heather's hands grabbing it and pulling it down. Even with the angled pliers, it's very difficult.
Oh wait, can you say that again?
Even with the angled pliers, it's very difficult to get a grasp on the bulb.
And yellow's trying to hold on tight.
Well, wow, that's not good. Holy yeah, dude, like seriously. Well, you don't want to break the bulb, but it was not budging. And now I have it stuck up in there. It's out. What the? This is not a good start to the project. And my wife wasn't joking. It's very difficult to get up in there. Well, you saw I shattered the bulb, but it's out. And now I have glass all over my wife's freshly vacuumed car.
That'll teach me to ever wash my car.
All right, well, now she's gonna install the HP5 Diode Dynamics replacement bulb.
They're plug and plays. You know what's not on plug and play? The original bulb.
Get it up in there?
I got it up in there.
All right.
It's white, it's so pretty! Totally worth all the glass all over my car. Alright, I'm happy again. I was a little for a second.
Alright.
Alright.
Well, now to do that one.
Mother of gosh. You can't make this up. You can't. We were like, you know what? We're just going to save ourselves from breaking something else on film. Let's just shut the camera off, take it off.
It came right out.
Like literally.
Right out.
Popped right out.
All right. Good job, babe.
Spank you.
You did a good job.
Now all we have to do is just put our plastic covers back on. Rugrats are here. Yes, babe?
Kendall, she wanted to buy this. Isn't it in the shed?
No, it's right there. She can get it.
Wow, what a difference.
I want you to wear a jacket. I know you might not want to.
Kendall knows where it's at, Kylie. Look at that difference.
Wow. I like it a lot. Boom. I'm now going to replace the vanity lights with the HP3s, and in order to do that, I am first going to remove the casing, so I'm just going to stick and push down. There's a little clip there. I'm pulling the bulb out. Bulb is out. It is not broken. All I'm doing is pushing the new bulb in. So before we go ahead and shut that all off, we're going to slide open and test it. Look at that pretty white light.
Good work.
Now I can just see how gorgeous I am. Even better. We're a hot mess. Next we're going to be doing the door light, and I'm going to be replacing them with the HP3 light bulbs. First we're going to pry off the old one. Once that's out, this gray cover is going to pop off. It wasn't as hot as I thought it was going to be.
It looked hot.
Maybe I'm just that cold. I'm going to go ahead and put the new HP3 in. I must have it in right because it's lit up. I'm going to put the gray covering back on. It has these two little teeth. I'm going to line them up into the grooves on either side, and then just click it right in place, and then the whole thing just slides right back into the door. All done.
So if the bulb doesn't light up the first time, you're just gonna flip it 180 to reverse the polarity, and it should be working. If it doesn't light up then you got problems. And we're just gonna repeat the process on all the other doors. This video has been brought to you by Monster Energy. No, not really. I think it just spilled it down the front of me. Babe, you're doing a good job.
Thanks. Onto the rear hatch, we're going to be replacing these light bulbs with the HP6 31mm bulbs. And then there's these 4 clippies on the side. And there's the old light bulb. Pull that out. The new one. We have pretty white lights. Line everything back up. All 4 snap into place. Put that side back in. Boom. One more side to do. All right, guys, we're going to do the dome light now. Now with the dome light, we're not actually going to pull the entire light down like we had with some of the other lights. We actually have to get in between the light plastic cover and the casing itself, and we're gonna gently remove that. 2. Okay, I'm gonna take this bulb out. There's this little silver thing here. If I push that over to the side, the light bulb falls out. Old. We're going to be replacing this with the 12-volt LED bulb, which I have nicknamed Satellite.
You're gonna want the diodes facing down towards the interior of the vehicle.
Diodes. Learn something new every day. All right, so I'm gonna put this little pointy part here and the little hole that's up on the side. And then once that's in, I can push the other one up, since that other side is a little bit of like an adjustable side.
There we go. Whew, it's bright. Just put the flathead in there and sort of pry it down. There you go. Bright light.
Once again, teamwork made the dream work. I have white lights in my car.
It's official. Now, we just need to get the high beams fixed.
Yeah.
We gotta find a solution for the high beams. I think I know someone that's working on that though.
Hook me up. Hook it up. Help me out. So in order to appreciate just how awesome my new interior lights are, you're going to need to check them out the old way. So let's go do that real fast. There's the lights in here up front. And that's the light in the back. See there, the yellow tint. We all know I ain't about that yellow life. These bad boys. I don't know if we're doing them or not, but hopefully. And I do know that we're doing lights on the side of the doors. And then back here, oh, back to lighting. So here are the hatch. Is this a hatch? I don't know. But here's those lights. Now that you saw just how, I don't know, yellowish and funky they are, you'll be able to appreciate the new ones. Let's go ahead and check out what the new lights look like. Wow, what a difference. That's crazy. So there's the door light. So cool. My gosh, you can see so much better. I apologize, guys. I totally didn't really do the old light shot justice by being inside and up close. But don't you worry. See, Steve schooled me on that. And now I'm realizing he was actually right this time. It is better to stand back and film in. Just like on the driver's side, the passenger side has the new white lights too. I'm loving it. So stinking cool. As always, down below you'll be able to find a description of the Diode Dynamic lights that we use to upgrade the 4Runner. And to say I'm happy is an understatement. I know I joked about how the white lights are better and just say no to yellow lights, but really, honestly, they're so much better. I love it. Awesome. I'll never be able to lose anything. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. In fact, even if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay beastly.